Prince Harry might be in some serious trouble as a judge has ordered him to produce a witness statement to explain how some potential evidence has gone missing in his claim against News Group Newspapers, publisher of The Sun. So as usual, I'm here to explain, hopefully succinctly, because it's Friday evening and I'm going to get to my evening in a minute, what all of this means. So for those of you that are not lawyers, you might not be familiar with the process unless you've been through it, that when one party sues another, they both go through a process called disclosure, which is effectively telling the other side what documentary evidence or any kind of evidence or information that you have that may either help your case and you rely on it, or it might hinder your case and help the other side. Many of you might think that's counterintuitive. Why would I tell the other side something that might hurt my case or help theirs? The simple reason is the court wants to limit the court time and the parties to cooperate sufficiently to reduce the issues between them for the court to resolve. And so that by the time it gets to court, the issues that could have been resolved beforehand have been done. And when it gets to court, all of the documentary evidence that is available that each party wants to rely on is there, and that goes for the other side, relying on your documents, even if they go against you. So in this particular case, with Harry and News Group Newspapers, the judge is rather concerned. Mr. Justice Fancourt said that, and I quote, he's seen troubling evidence that a large number of potentially relevant documents and confidential messages between the Duke and the ghostwriter of Spare were destroyed sometime between 2021 and 2023. Well after this claim was underway. The judge said that the lack of documentation was rather remarkable, gave him cause for concern, and you'll love this one, that it's not transparently clear what happened. In other words, the judge really wants to know what happened to these documents, how and why, and probably when they were destroyed, because, as the judge said, this was well after the claim was underway. Now, when you begin a claim against another party, you warn them that within the civil procedure rules there is a warning not to destroy any documents that might hinder their case or assist yours. Because that is only fair. Because if there is documentary evidence that helps you and then they destroy it, that is not fair. Prince Harry's barrister, on the other hand, David Sherborne, has accused News Group Newspapers of a transparent, old-fashioned style fishing expedition whereby, despite what he says is their tactical and sluggish approach to disclosure, undermines the deliberately sensational assertion that Prince Harry has not properly carried out his own disclosure exercises. He said that he's gone above and beyond his obligations, in fact. According to Barrister David Sherborne, Prince Harry's solicitors have spent 130 hours costing £50,000 to search through some 35,000 emails, and there was nothing relevant in them. So yes, according to that quote, you heard right, £50,000 for nothing, because they searched through them to find nothing, according to David Sherborne. The court was also apparently told that there were 2 encrypted hard drives which were said to no longer exist. However, just a couple of days ago, Prince Harry's solicitor said that one of them had just been found. News Group Newspapers, of course, argued that they might contain relevant material. David Sherborne, on the other hand, said that they were containing office documents from when he was working as a royal and unlikely to contain anything to do with the hacking case. Whilst the judge did agree with that bit, the judge has also ordered separately that Harry is to produce text message and WhatsApp for anything relevant, and said that he should make efforts to retrieve the deleted signal messages from this ghostwriter. So this goes out as a bit of a warning, really, to anybody that's involved in a case not to destroy and delete documents or any evidence that might be relevant to your case, particularly after it started, because the judge might ultimately order you to explain how and why that was done. So in summary, Prince Harry has been ordered to write a statement to make transparently clear what has happened. For more on this, please do subscribe, and I'll see you next time.